Yo, 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 what's up, people? It's your boy P. Ross back in the building for Ross Wrist Watch Love. You understand what I'm saying? And right now we have an unboxing. I don't know what's in this. Have an idea, but we finna find out right quick. You know what I'm saying? And right now your boy rocking the Invicta Pro Diver. You know what I'm saying? Right there, all up in your ear hole. So let's get into this unboxing and see what the hell we got. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Let's dispense without the pleasantry. Okay. Okay. It is Invicta. Alright. See what's up. Right there. There it is. Now let's take him out if we get him out. Oh wow. Alright. I haven't seen an Invicta box like this before. Okay. Now let's see what we got. There it is, yo. Right here, all up in your ear hole, the boat, Zeus. See that right there? That Magnum Jack. Oh man, let's take him on out. Yeah, I ain't never seen a box like this before. Like, you know, it's interesting. You know, I like it though. I like it. You know what I mean? Definitely like it. But anyway. The reserve boat, you know what I'm saying? Let's get all this plastic up off of here first so we can see what we got going on. Look at that dial. That beautiful. That's it right there, boy. That is it. Damn, plastic coming off easy as hell. 52 millimeters. Swiss quartz movement. I think it's around a Z60 in this. You know what I mean? Yeah. That is hot. There it is, y'all. So let's go ahead. We're going to try him on the wrist right quick. I'm going to get this little bit of plastic off. Ooh, you talk about some weight. There's some weight to that, even with the strap on there, man. Look at that. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Both Zeus is definitely one of my favorite watches by Invicta. Yeah, that's boss. That's boss right there. Let's go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. And there we go. That's how he look on the wrist. Check him out. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I've been waiting on you, cuz. See that right there? That's that boat Zeus. Get into it, yo. You know what I mean? It's a hot ass watch. Review coming soon, of course. You know what I mean? So it's on and popping. And here go the box again. Like, I really like this box. Like, anyway, so it's your boy P. Ross. That's your unboxing. I got a couple more watch unboxings coming soon. So just stay tuned to the channel. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We really appreciate that over here. It's your boy P. Ross, and I'm out. Peace.